Subtraction online game made with Canva. Hirap bang student or anak mo ang mag-subtract? Try mo tong Subtraction online game. It has easy, average, and difficult levels for grades 1 to 6. Pwedeng laruin sa bahay or gawing classroom activity. On easy level, merong shape game at number line. Sa shape game ay ipapakita talaga yung concept ng pagbabawas. Dito naman sa number line na ipapakita yung pag-count backwards through number lines. At dito naman sa average level, merong borrowing at with borrowing options. And you have to submit your answer first before mo makita yung correct solution. So ayan, kunwari sinold ko muna. Click submit. And yun, enabled na yung show solution option. Next naman, itong with borrowing category. Kagaya dun sa kanina, you have to put or submit your solution first. Click show solution and makikita mo yung correct answer or solution. Dito naman sa difficult level, merong without borrowing, with borrowing, and word problems na category. Ayan, same din sa average level. Pinapakita yung correct solution. And then, word problem, merong story or situation na sasagutan. And mas madadaming digits na yung given since it's the difficult level. Try nyo na!